Awesome. So I'm probably the only person sitting at this conference right now wearing a hat, but obviously we wear our dyno very proud. So I've got a large collection of hats. If you've been here in the past, you've probably seen others. But anyways, so to go into HF Sinclair's resilient operations, HF Sinclair has always prided itself on its ability to run safe and reliable. As the industry evolves, we recognize that building operational resilience isn't just about risk management. It's about seizing new technologies and the ability to stay ahead. Our mission and our journey, our catchphrase, our slogan is we make the products that make life go. A big piece of that is obviously being operationally resilient. That's being reliable, maintaining operations. We do this through safe, efficient operations in a challenging environment, whether that's geopolitical, environmental, business, market conditions, what other challenges we may face. We embrace innovation, obviously. As technology comes forward, we've got to find means and ways to adapt how we do business within our market. So some of the key components to this, our operational resilience journey is our holistic approach to ensuring no matter what challenges come our way, we're ready to face those challenges, maintain critical operating functions, respond and react swiftly. That's risk management and mitigation. That's business continuity planning, proactive innovation, and continuous improvements and adoption of technologies. From a landscape standpoint, these are the core areas where risks are emerging. Each of these key factors have a cascading effect on our operations, and if not managed effectively, can impact our business. Whether that's cyber threats, unscheduled maintenance, supply chain disruptions, operational challenges, or plant personnel safety. So to speak towards cyber threat side, obviously there's an increased sophistication in cyber attacks, the increased convergence of IT and OT networks to increase complexity in our environments. Our response to these challenges, obviously we enforce best practices in continuous monitoring. We continue to invest in cyber defense tools and employee training. Obviously educating our workforce is a big component of that. Then obviously look towards future potential. So whether that's predictive threat detection, automated incident response, to mitigate threat escalation. From our operational standpoint, unscheduled maintenance. So on the current landscape there, unplanned equipment failures leading to production downtime, predicting which assets are most vulnerable and also most valuable to us operationally. Our response, we've been implementing robust maintenance schedules, condition monitoring, so where everybody's seen this AI space, predictive ML, AI analytics detection to our equipment, digital twin, so evaluating the capabilities of digital twins and how they can allow us to better predict maintenance strategies, and then as well as other future potential opportunities such as predictive analytics for maintenance needs, unplanned downtime, optimization of maintenance schedules to reduce that downtime. On the operational side, obviously everything that we've got ongoing is the evolving and changing regulatory and environmental risks. The need for sustainable and resilient operations become that much more heightened. The response to the future side, obviously enhancing environmental monitoring and data analytics. So feeding data into systems that allow us to do some sort of predictive response capabilities. Optimizing energy use and emissions management. So obviously all of our environmental regulatory requirements and feeding all of that data into systems to keep ourselves within those constraints. As well as plant personnel safety. So on the current landscape side, high-risk work environments require constant vigilance. Rapid response needed for emergency situations. Our response, strict safety protocols and continuous training programs, investment in state-of-the-art safety equipment, as well as future and forward potential to real-time monitoring of safety conditions, predictive analytics to anticipate hazards, and automate our emergency responses. I'm looking forward to kind of the discussion that's that's going to take place here, but that's pretty much our vision, our mission. Thank you.